How to hard reset Vivo V40e. Step 1. Turn off your Vivo V40e using the power button. Step 2. Next, press and hold both the power and volume up buttons simultaneously. Step 3. Use the volume up button to scroll through the options and the power button to confirm.